Hello guys, this is Mary from Let's Bake and Decorate Your Cake, and today I wanted to do a follow-up on the buttercream transfers. I made one years ago and I think people keep asking me questions because the video is going so fast, so I'm going to take my time. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me show you what I'm going to be working on. This is a picture of the Little Mermaid. You can, guys, when you're doing this, you get the one, the transfer, the picture that you all guys want. The only thing about the rule with this is you have to actually do it like a mirror image, because if I put happy birthday and I do it like this side up, it's going to be backwards. A lot of the computers and stuff, people have a program where you can do mirror image where you can reverse it. I don't have that one. I have an old computer, so I do everything handmade. So what I did, I don't know if the camera picked it up. I just drew it. I put it in the window where it was plenty of light, and I just did it with a pencil. You can do it basically any way your heart desires. The next step on this one is, what's very important is that you have to tape it down. Okay, let's tape it down so that way it won't move so much. So here's my tape.